Hey guys, it's Mike at Untitled Customs. Today we're going to start work on putting a power steering conversion on this FJ40 right here. Logan's a new customer of ours and he is trusting us with his super nice 1966 FJ40 Land Cruiser, and we're going to put a JT Outfitters for a power steering conversion on it. It's supposed to be a bolt-in thing, supposed to be able to be done in 4 to 6 hours. So we're going to get it in the shop, but I want to give you guys a quick rundown of the truck first. Super nice, super clean. He's had this since he was in high school, so I think he said like 18 years or something like that, or 15, somewhere in that range. But really nice, completely factory inline 6, factory axles, factory transfer case, all that kind of stuff. It does have a little bit of a lift on it. That's really about all I know. What's cool is it is actually a PTO driven winch, so that's kind of neat. We won't be playing with any of that while we have it here. So all right, let's get it moved into the shop. So you'll notice the first thing is the gigantic steering wheel. They do that because this is going to be really interesting to drive. So you can only imagine wheeling something like this off-road and having no power steering to help. So let's get it started. There we go. It is a 3-speed, so I'm sure this thing does about 50 miles an hour. Making sure we're not hitting the old truck. Gotta get used to that clutch. Boy, that was a long drive. That's it. We're in the shop, so let's get to work. All right, so one thing it doesn't show in the directions that I found online is that it suggests you remove the driver's side fender. So I'm gonna do that real quick so we can get to the steering box and everything like that much Alrighty, now we've got to get the steering box off, so I'm going to take these 17mm bolts out and we'll see what goes on in here. I really don't know how to get this apart other than releasing this and maybe moving the box around. I'm also going to take this nut off so we can slide this off, so maybe we can get that out of the way. And then I'm going to take these bolts and just loosen them up. That way, the steering column doesn't come down all the way. But first, we've made sure the wheels are straight-ish. And then we're supposed to measure the distance between these two so we can reline that back up. So I'm gonna make a mark on the shock itself, and then that way I can measure from where I know is good. All right, guys, well, I finally dug around and found our fork here after making 2 trips to AutoZone. So I'm gonna get it all set up there. I'm gonna see if we can beat this loose and get this off so we can pull this steering box. insane. Like, look at the damn rod. No wonder it killed people. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. We are going to do this in a couple different parts. This is probably going to be a 3-part setup, mainly because I'm out of time tonight. Steven and I'll be out here again 2 nights from now, so that doesn't mean anything to you, and I get that. But all right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. See ya.